What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today we're at Palm Springs Tramway. Ang ganda ng lighting.
Meanwhile,
I forgot to tell you guys that.
Oh, what are they gonna search for?
I only found something I'm not still having my backpack.
I think he's not carrying a weapon, you're fine. Pepper spray, no taser, no guns,
Right.
knives.
I have a gun.
Where's your gun?
Right, snacks in there, okay.
I just noticed I barely have stuff in my bag.
Yeah.
Bro, why is that shit so necessary?
This is the cafe. Ooh, they have chicken.
Alright.
Oh, what's that?
Apple juice.
Thank
Crack
you.
apple juice.
I have so much stuff. Can I have the small fries?
Yeah.
That would be it. Thank you. It's cold. Look how good. Look how beautiful it is. What? Maybe it's not. Oh, maybe you had to put a coin.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not working because you have to
Instead
put
of
some
quarters?
coins. Yeah. Everything you have to pay.
Can you put that in my backpack?
Oh my god. I can't even see myself on the smallest screen ever.
More.
I know.
Then why is it so packed?
I know.
That's what I'm saying. They're like...
It wasn't always like that.
everywhere.
My fries.
Napkins? Oh, thank you.
Damn, that must be heavy.
Oh, yeah, it is heavy.
Oh my god. Guys, look at our fries.
This is like a typical American bun. Like the bun I see in the
10 a.m.
There's no snow.
Jesus Christ, what am I eating right now?
And then the food and transportation.
Trails.
a few moments later.
I want to buy one. Oh, I think this one is good. The tickets. No, we're boarding.
I mean, it's making me doing that.
We're boarding.
It's so nice.
I'm not checking. I don't care. Three.
Three coming in, please. One on the right side, one on the side, folks. Go ahead. Guys, up front, big smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. When you get to the top, have a good time, folks.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
How many? I was dancing.
You're taking selfies too.
Yeah, I'm trying to take a good selfie. Why is there no
So, she's not going for her.
It's here!
here, guys. 괜찮아, 괜찮아.
Alright.
괜찮아, 괜찮아. Can we jump?
Like I said,
Can we jump on the thing?
I wanted to be in the middle, like over in the middle.
Why would you want to be in the middle?
All the way in the middle. Oh, stage.
What the heck?
Pushing me. That is crazy.
I want to be by the door.
Yeah, me too.
Cereal Tramway.
Yeah.
That's what I did. Are you filming this? Like, you filming this, right?
Film everything.
You look so scared. Look how dark. You can't even see Sherry. Oh, wait.
It's a ride ride.
Oh yeah. It is over there.
San Francisco, the temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. But what will change? And the trees, flowers, and
Look how high
all other towers they have been constructed by transporting workers and materials. Various sites.
I'm fine, bro. I'm fine. I'm freaking fine. I love hide and seek. Hide so much, bro. I'm happy to be here, right?
Lucy said,
Do you love hide? No, I don't. Really? No.
the new cabin
It's nice.
will take 300
I'm stressed. You're not supposed to be that high right now.
We're now high over Chino Canyon. What's the summer home? Agua Caliente Bancoy Ilios. Just there are many streams that flow year-round. It's not a spill. Sea level there.
Bro, it's scared.
Just continue to watch your balance here as we're pulling it up. Need everybody to go directly inside the building. It's right in front of us. You'll be entering onto the second level. We're departing every 15 minutes.
516.
Entry to the building is right in front of us. Please go directly inside. Have a safe and wonderful day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Huh?
Bro. You're so
See, that wasn't only me this time, bro. That wasn't. That one.
Oh my god.
wasn't only me, bro.
Oh my god.
We all got scared.
You bet I got scared. It was supposed to be a
Oh, we have another ride, right? Going down. We have another ride going down.
Huh?
We have another ride going down.
Well, of course we got another one going down. Let me get out, bro.
Let me get this crazy.
Yeah.
They're taking your pictures.
It's hard to go there.
You guys want to look at our photos?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
You're going down.
Oh, I thought. Oh, there's a down?
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be cold.
Oh, there's a trail down there.
There's a trail to go down.
Yeah, there's a little bit of snow.
It's not that cold. I thought it's gonna be cold.
Do we have bears here?
Yeah, you missed the group photo because I was trying to get everybody and everybody's trying to. I want to use the bathroom, Mama. So I can't hold to wait you.
It's okay.
Yeah. I've been here, so I don't know, man.
I definitely want to go down there.
I want to go down.
so
there. You want to go down?
How many times have you been here?
6, 7.
6, 7.
6, 7.
We'll see you later.
See you.
Oh, we got coyotes.
Actually, rich people have houses.
So warm. It's hot.
There's no bear in there, right? Cool.
Said there's no attacks yet.
Yet?
There's no attack yet.
Yet? You just said yet?
Hey, take a picture with this side.
You just did.
1, 2, 3. It's okay.
I'm thinking like to go like that. I just want to get to the snow. That's it, guys. I want to come back.
There is a snow?
Yeah, see, it's over there.
Oh, there's a snow. Oh my god. I have a big pickle.
You never did.
Should we take photos here?
Like sit down and take a photo.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Does it look good?
It's gonna be good. Let me see. Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Okay, let's see. I want to take a picture.
It's fucking cringy. Leave him alone. But the
You come take picture.
I don't know how to take pictures. You know what? Hell yeah. Let me go take a picture of him. Make him look better. I hope I don't fall. I'm getting old.
Getting old is crazy. You're 21.
Yes, I'm getting old.
You just turned 21.
Hell yeah. Do I look too black on the picture?
You are.
No, you don't. The sun is.
You're supposed to say no, we don't.
You guys,
What?
guy pose.
Treat me like what Jesus.
That is so cute. What? Wait, why does it look so good?
See, I told you I'll make you look better.
I was looking at myself.
I don't really want to sit.
Oh my god! Why the rock's so cold?
Please jump. Get on it so easy.
Maybe this one is better because it has lighting.
Right?
You just want to try to take a picture in here too?
Yeah, I love this stuff for black people.
This? What, you took a picture of me? That's
Yeah.
crazy. I don't take pictures, bro.
Look away, okay, look away. Laugh like how you laughed and
No, I can't.
Why you can't?
Because I can't. Pictures, bro. I don't know how to take pictures, bro. Damn. I just don't.
Look!
I look creepy as fuck. You know, I said it to you.
Good!
It does look so creepy.
Huh?
It does not look
I
creepy.
look creepy in that, bro.
Look at this one.
Oh, yeah, that one look
Let me see.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, that one is not bad.
Shut the fuck
Not
up.
bad, it's crazy. It's
No, you just don't want to try to get anything, though.
Look at this one.
Oh, candid. That's good.
see? You just have to take pictures. What is that?
It's ice already.
Yes, I like it.
It's like a water melted. I mean, water that
I
Turn.
over.
Yeah. Oh, I wanna take a picture here.
Right?
See, it's a nice photo.
Yes, it's good.
Oh, you see, that's a good scene right there.
The view is so nice.
You know all those movies
Nature.
where
What movie scenes?
You know those movie scenes where they come and they see fresh water and then they scoop it?
Yeah.
Oh shit, let me
Is this
try.
fresh?
And
Is
they
this fresh
scoop
water?
it like this, and they scoop it like this, and then they drink it. Yeah.
Is it a
Shit.
fresh water? It's cold?
That shit is cold.
Yo!
Good, I got a view.
Yo! Wait, let me.
Take a picture.
I wanna cross too.
Oh, over there. Can we cross on there?
We're gonna fucking fall, bro. Fall in the water.
Let me video just in case.
I am videoing right now too.
Y'all fall, it's going on TikTok. I almost missed it too.
Look at this. It's ice. Water. Oh damn, the ice cold. Oh my gosh.
That is true though. You see, just
That feels like-
that just that
That feels like a Disney now.
Just do that, just turn around and just do this.
I didn't see.
A few moments later.
I look like a model.
I do? Oh, God. Thank you guys so much. That's from mommy 20 years ago. You guys want to keep exploring?
Yeah.
Found a gun.
This stick, the perfect stick. I think that is the perfect stick. You see?
Look! Beautiful!
That one is a bit, but that look like that exactly like a gun actually.
I'm gonna hunt. Oh, I look like a hunter.
Yeah, you do. That's true.
That is good. Wait, let me take a picture of you.
Look like a hunter like this, bro.
Stay like that. Why the hell is it taking so long? Do the thing.
You know what? Let me hold your hands, bro. I'm gonna hold your hand. Take the picture like this, bro. I'm gonna
So gay.
You should have taken the picture like real quick when I was gonna. You should have listened to me.
I didn't know.
And then imagine me looking back like this. Yo, that is so gay.
Are you filming this?
Stop.
You need to pick it up too. Though. Let me show you
Yo.
though. It's okay, dude. He took it.
Stop.
I didn't know. I didn't get it on time.
I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, typical, bro. Typical clean shooting black people.
You guys want to keep going there?
Yeah. And then he's going to know that looks okay. I don't want to picture. When you make a noise out there, what is wrong with you?
A few moments later.
Let me take your picture. You want to do the grass thing I did?
I guess. It's supposed to be like. Ew.
He's finally touching grass.
I am. Here's
Bro.
the proof. I want to take more photos. Why am I running out of breath?
Guys, please let's make sure we eat before we go back.
Oh yeah.
So I can
What
sleep
time
on
is
the
it?
bus. I hope that.
What time is it? It's 11:06. We can go around like 12, right?
Yeah.
I'll break your
I
heart.
put up to the gate singing this song though.
I'm not that innocent.
When you dancing on the tree like
Yeah.
What the fuck? I see why.
Bro, he's strong as fuck actually. Yeah, he walked out. He's strong as hell.
Did it again. Oh, let's do a TikTok. Name it your heart. Oops, I
think I'm in love.
You see?
Oh baby, baby.
That's the song.
No, she definitely did not say it like this, bro. You putting your sassiness in the song.
Isn't that what she said?
No,
Oh baby.
she said that, but she didn't say it like you did.
Oh baby, baby.
I want you to follow the street.
Are we following them?
No, hell no.
Oh. What the fuck?
You don't even know them.
And then we just, you know, we're doing our thing.
Yo! What the? That does sound like a freaking. It does. Why did you make that sound, bro? I caught it on camera.
My father told me. It should be like.
Why are you being sassy right now?
What do you mean? That's how I walk, bro.
It's crazy. You're jiggling your butt.
I got a butt to giggle.
That is,
You're like this.
Yeah, that's what.
yeah, that's how he is doing.
I don't know, fling the hands like this. Baby, I need to.
I be going hard. I'm breaking their hearts. Like.
I got it on footage.
Hey, wait. Wait.
Did you call us wait?
Oh, have you guys watched King Kong?
Oh,
when the giant guy get eaten by a tree?
Like this is asshole.
Oh.
Are you guys watch King Kong? The second movie?
Yeah.
When the big guy got eaten by a tree, it looked like it.
We look like that? Oh,
Yeah. They say, you follow my lead! Follow my fucking lead! Ah! Your fucking like just eat him.
What the heck? Oh, they have a bridge.
The bridge!
They have a bridge!
Guys! I want to take a picture!
Right, please take a picture. Take a picture, man.
Oh baby, baby.
Yeah. Staying alive.
Staying alive, staying alive.
We should walk on the beat. We should walk on the beat.
How am I gonna die? I've never had practice dancing before.
Wait, hold on. Walk
What?
on the beat.
Oh my god, the feet right here and the other feet right here. Modu!
Yeah.
You gotta come here.
Oh.
See this?
Yo!
You see this?
Whoa!
You seeing this?
Hi guys, welcome back. We're going back up after taking a lot of pictures. We're going up there. You see it? Yeah. Everybody's struggling going up.
Your mama was on when you left.
You're right. Oh, I thought this. What the heck?
You know what? I don't have enough oxygen in my head right now. And I can't think straight. Your mama was on my head.
You're right. Your mama's mom. You're right.
The dog, the cat, the pig.
The rat.
The rat. The rat.
I like to say the rat. I don't care.
That's probably a rat.
It does sound like the rat though.
Right? I left my home. come here.
Now I'm dying. Sorry.
To come here. Bakshit.
Bakshit, bakshit.
Bakshit.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I like the song.